Hi, my name is Michelle, and I am here with Michou Jewelry to tell you how to wear and care for my cuffs. When you first are looking at a cuff, there should be about an inch space in the back, and that gives you enough space to slide it over the fleshy part of your wrist. You don't want to slide it over the bone because there's no give in the bone. So you put it on over this part of your wrist and you slide it on. For me, this cuff is a little bit too big. You can easily size our cuffs by putting even pressure on both sides and very slowly squeezing them to fit your wrist. And it takes a moment, so you have to be patient. Now the cuff is sized correctly, it's not falling over. When you pull the cuff off and it's sized to your wrist, it should pinch you and it just sits there. You could move around with the cuff. It won't go anywhere because it's the right size for your wrist. If you need to make the cuff bigger, the area of the cuff that needs protection is the area with all of the stones. So you push in with your thumbs on both sides of the cuff. It's about halfway up the sides to the middle of the cuff that you would put your pressure. And then you take these fingers and you open the bottom of the cuff. If you pull it open without putting that pressure on the center, you're stressing the center of the cuff, and that can cause stones to pop, and it can also cause the silver to crease. And over time, this will create a crack. So it's very important to properly care for the cuff. I wear a cuff every day. I pick my cuff to coordinate with the color of my outfit. During the day, I look at my cuff. It soothes me, it makes me happy, it gives me energy. Every woman deserves to have a custom fit cuff. So come check out the beautiful assortment of cuffs at Michou Jewelry for your everyday elegance.